Hi, tenor sax. It's Mr. Y here, of course, with a little tutorial in the E flat concert scale. Now, for you guys, that's the F scale. It's not really all that hard in terms of your fingers, actually. Watch out for your key signature, of course. You've got B flat in the key signature. So when you get to the B, it's not just going to be your first finger like a regular B. It's going to be two fingers like A, plus that bottom roller coaster key, that bottom side key with your right hand. I don't have a sax here to show you, unfortunately. But if you're not sure about that, look at the EE book. You'll see the diagram there. I think it'll be fairly obvious which it is. Remember, there are a couple different B flats on the saxophone. You've got what's called 1-and-1 B flat. You've got two fingers plus your side. And then you've got the bis B flat too, which I don't think anybody's learned here yet. You'll probably learn that when you get to high school. But for right now, I would like you to use, please, the two fingers plus your side roller coaster key. That's the one that's better in tune. 1-and-1 you can use sometimes if it's a really technically fast passage and you're not worried about being out of tune. But in this case, we're going slow enough that you should use the 1 and 2 plus your side key. Okay? So you're looking at just B flats in the key signature, which means also, of course, your Fs are natural. So you're going to start on that very first note with an F natural, three fingers up here, plus your first finger down here, not your second for F sharp, but your first. Okay? So we've got F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, B flat, A, G, F, A, C, F, C, A, F, E, F. I can't quite get down to that low note with my voice. There is a low E there. Remember, from the F, you're going to add one more finger to get to that low E. If you have trouble with the low notes, remember to drop your jaw a little bit and take a little bit more mouthpiece in your mouth. That'll help a little bit. Number two is really not really all that much harder than number one. It's just in triple time. It's in 6/8, and we've got the triplets now. So F G A dot 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 dot. It does go one note higher this time. It goes up to that high G, and then on the way back down, it's going to go down to the low E again. Really not all that hard. And remember, too, when you do this for the quiz later on, you can go as fast or slow as you want to. It doesn't matter what your speed is as long as it's nice and steady. So, go through it a couple of notes at a time, get your trouble spots out of the way, do all that kind of stuff. You should be good in this. Not really all that hard. If you have any questions, of course, call me or email me. Thanks.